In a previous video I showed you this old Arcam Alpha 2 amplifier and some repairs and some improvements, modifications I've made. I'm going to make a quick video now about removing the disc at the Phono disc stage. So I'm never going to use a turntable with this, don't have any records or anything, no interest in playing music carved out of a lump of plastic. So this is a redundant input for me, and I would rather use it as a line level input. So I'm going to show what we need to do. It's basically removing this circuit, so we can remove this resistor, the feedback network, all of this, the op amp, and just bridge from the input straight through to the switch here. So I'll open it up and identify the components we can remove. And this is the area on the board, the preamp for the Phono stage with RIAA equalization that we can remove. So there's obviously one chip that does both channels, and then the passive components are duplicated. So we would start with the C101 here, which provide capacitive loading on the inputs. We can take those out, and basically all of this, and then we'll need to bridge a wire link, which I'll show you. So I'll take these out and then we'll look at what we need to connect. Okay, so here you can see I've removed all of the passive components. So what we need to do is to essentially link the non-inverting input, which would be connected to the input here, straight through to the output, and then a link to bridge C6, and then we've basically got a straight through path from the input to the switch. And these are the connections on the NE5532 that was. So we'll be linking 5 through to 7 and 3 to 1. So I'll do that now. And this is what we have after I put the links in. So you can see I've bridged these two capacitors and made these across the inputs and outputs of the op amp, and that's it. So now I've got a line level input on the disc input, so that's playing through a mini disc player at the appropriate level. Okay, simple modification.